Ooh, yes. Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's your girl Tori, but that's self-explanatory. I'm back today to tell you about this mirror and how I made it for under $20. So stay tuned so you can see how you can do it too. You're going to need a floor mirror. I got this from Walmart for only $6.44. You're going to need a silver spray paint. Luckily, I found this at Walmart for only $2.98. These bowls are what's going to make this mirror. I got them from Dollar Tree. They're a pack of 4 for only $1, and I end up buying 10 of them. Some E6000, some clean release tape, some packing tape. I wanted to add lights, so I got these from Walmart for $5. I ended up buying 2 packs. 2 foam boards. All right, so let's get right into it. So what I'm about to do now, I got me some newspaper so I can use the clean release tape and cover the mirror completely. When you are putting your tape down, make sure you're putting your tape flat on the surface of the mirror. I had to go back and fix mine so that way when we spray paint, it will be an even coat all over the trim and you won't see white specks. Okay, so when we're done, it should look like this. Go ahead and get your foam boards out. They will need to be placed side by side, just like this. Get your packing tape. So right now what we're going to do, we are going to tape the boards together just for extra stability right down the middle. You're going to do front and back. The 2 stickers on the back, they do not matter. I'm just going to make that the back side of my mirror. Place your mirror right in the middle of your foam boards. Make sure it is evenly spaced around the edges. Get your bowls and start to place them around the trim of the mirror. You're going to have to play with them a bit. It's just like a puzzle. It should look something like this now. So you see the bottom of the board that's left over? We're gonna cut it. I'm using a box cutter. Do not cut your board right underneath the bowls. You wanna have some room so that way your mirror could sit on something. Now it's time for us to take the bowls back off of the board. Go grab a marker. With that marker, we're going to trace all 4 corners of the mirror onto the foam boards. Grab the E6000. Flip your mirror over and put your E6000 all on the back side of the mirror. Go ahead and get your mirror out of the way. Now put your E6000 onto the foam board. Go ahead and grab your mirror and gently place it back into the four corners that you traced earlier. Then apply pressure. Place something heavy on each ends of the mirrors and let it dry. When it's done drying, go grab your spray paint. I moved to a different part of the house. I put a sheet down. I had an extra foam board just to make sure I wouldn't make a mess anywhere. So let's get started. Some places in your foam board may bubble up, but it's okay. It's not the main focus of our mirror, trust me. Make sure you go over any spots that you may have missed. Once you let it air dry for a couple of hours, you can go ahead and take the newspaper and the tape off. Now you need to go ahead and put your bows back on to the mirror. Glue the bottom of the bows to place back onto the foam board. You're gonna do a glue one, place one type of method so you know exactly where to place it and it'll be a whole lot easier. Always, always, always make sure you're applying pressure in whatever you do, period. Tori girl, you know you look crazy. Okay, so when you're done with all that and everything's dry, like I said earlier, this is totally optional. I know I just wanted to add lights. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unwrap the lights and then I'm going to intertwine them between the bows with a figure 8 motion. When you're done with all of that, the last thing I did was tape the battery pack to the bottom of the mirror on the back side. And then you're done, you guys. That was so easy, right? So this is the final look with the lights on. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.